Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So nice to see all of you here. Thank you so much for joining in. Today I'm going to be painting a special ocean beach, which is an abstract. And for this painting, I plan to make a sandy beach at the bottom here. And the colors that I'm going to be using are going to be nude colors, beige colors from Decoart, and also from Arteza I'm going to be using these metallic gold colors. All of these colors are going to be mixed with Floetrol in the ratio of 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, and also a little bit of water for the consistency. I'm going to be layering these paints on top of each other and do a dirty pour at the bottom. For the actual water, the actual beachy waves, the waves are going to be on the top. The water, I'm going to be using different blues. All of these colors are going to be in the description box, so you can have a look at them. But most of the colors are from Pebeo Studio Acrylics, and I'm also going to be using some colors from Amsterdam. These colors as well are going to be mixed with Floetrol in the ratio of 1 part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol and a little bit of water. And I plan to do a swipe with these paints for the water. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. So I have just marked a line where my sand is going to be, and I have layered the sand colors in this cup. I'm going to do a dirty pour in this part, and then in this part I'm going to have all of my blues, which have about 2 drops of silicone mixed in them. I'm going to pour the ocean colors here, and I'm going to swipe it using a plastic sheet, and then let's see how beautiful the cells come out. So let's start painting. That's amazing. Look at the shimmery sand. I love it. And look at these ocean waves. Amazing cells. So impressed. I love the different shades of blue. They're amazing. I'm so impressed with this ocean beach, sandy beach, and the different cells bit of lacing as well in some places. This is my best part. This one. I hope you enjoy watching this too. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.